Zion reggae, yeah, in the darkness, small but true, lantern of faith shine for you. Not of power, not of pride, lantern of joy always guide. Babylon lights can't blind the sight. Lantern of faith bring pure light. Every glow a prophecy. Lantern shine eternally. Not of silver, not of gold, lantern story long foretold, everlasting, pure and free, lantern shine for you and me. Traveler lost upon the night, lantern show the righteous light. Storm may rage and road may bend, lantern guide until the end. Babylon darkness can remain, lantern break the heavy chain. Generations pass along, lantern burn so strong. Prophets chant and angels pray, lantern guide the holy way. Every nation bow and know, lantern of faith forever glow. Everlasting, pure and bright, lantern of Zion night to night. From creation till today, lantern light the holy way. Small in size but great in might, lantern shine in darkest night. Not of hatred, not of fear, lantern of Jah always near. All creation testify, lantern flame will never die. Eternal beacon, pure and strong, lantern guide the world along. Glowly flame, lantern shine in your name. Ganja is my medicine, yeah man. I ganja, yeah. It's in a man. Burning bright, never cease. Eternal flame, bring me peace. Not of anger, not of war. Flame of Jah forevermore. Babylon chain can't control. Flame ignite the people's soul. Every spark a holy fire. Flame uplift and inspire. Oh, yeah, 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 yeah. Ah, yeah, 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 yeah. Yeah, yeah. Children warm, the youth rejoice. Flame of Zion, Jah voice. Elders chant and pray all night. Flame of Jah restore the light. Not destruction, not in hate. Flame create Jah righteous faith. Every ember pure and strong. Flame of Zion all along. Yeah, 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 yeah. Yeah, 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 yeah. Yeah. Storm may rage and night may fall. Flame of Jah consume it all. Traveler cold upon the way. Flame of Zion give him stay. Babylon darkness can't remain. Flame of Jah break the chain. Generations gather near. Flame of Zion always here. Yeah, 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 yeah. Yeah, 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 yeah. Yeah. Prophecy and vision grow. Flame of Jah forever glow. Every nation bow and pray. Flame of Zion guide today. Everlasting, true and free. Flame of Jah eternity. From creation till the end. Flame of Zion remain friend. Yeah, 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 yeah. Yeah, 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 yeah. No corruption, no despair. Flame of Jah is everywhere. Every heart a candle bright. Flame of Zion bring the light. Everlasting, holy song. Flame of Jah forever strong. All creation testify. Flame of Zion never die. Burn, burn, holy fire. Lift the people, lift them higher. Glow, glow, strong and free. Eternal flame, eternity. Yeah, 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 yeah. Yeah, 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 yeah. Yeah. Eternal flame, pure and bright. Guide the people through the night. Burn forever, never gone. Flame of Zion carry on. From the past into the new. Eternal flame for me and you. Zion song, Jah art. No Babylon can drown the sound. Zion song all around. Zion song, pure and true. Holy chorus for me and you. Every verse, eternal flame. Zion song, exalt your name. It guide the children, guide the meek. Zion song, all people seek. Forever holy, never gone. Zion song, keep it strong. It flow through valley, flow through sea. Zion song, eternity. Forever holy, pure and bright. Zion song, Jah light. Me hear it in the morning breeze. Zion song across the seas. It chant the truth, it sing the word. Zion song always heard. Forever holy, never fall. Zion song for all. It bless the nation, bless the child. Zion song meek and mild. It rise eternal, never end. Zion song, Jah friend. No Babylon can stop the flow. Zion song always show. Forever holy, strong and free. Zion song destiny. It guide the people, guide the land. Zion song Jahan. When the trumpet sound again, Zion song still remain. Forever holy, never cease. Zion song bring Jah peace. From dawn of time till judgment day, Zion song show Jah way. Eternal singing bright and long. Zion song, Jah song. Sing high, sing free. Zion song, eternity. No chain, no wall can bind the word. Zion song always heard. Zion song, pure and true. Holy chorus for me and you. Every verse, eternal flame. Zion song, exalt your name. From age to age, from dusk to dawn. Zion song still carry on. dusk to dawn, Zion song still carry on. sing so sweet. Every rhythm, every beat, not of Babylon, not of war. Song of Zion evermore. River flow and mountain sing. Earth proclaim your king. Every sound a prophecy. Earthly song eternity. Children dance and youth rejoice. Song of earth is your voice. Elders hum and clap along. Earthly chorus strong. Not of hatred, not of greed. Song of earth fulfill the need. Every tone a holy flame. Song exalt your name. Traveler rest beneath a tree. Song of earth set him free. Ocean wave and forest call. Song of Zion bless them all. Babylon weapon can't compete. Song of earth guide defeat. Generation rise and sing. Song of earth your blessing bring. Prophets chant and angels pray. Song of earth light the way. Every nation bow and know. Song of Zion still glow. Everlasting pure and free. Song of earth for you and me. From creation till today. Song of earth never fade away. Birds a chant and wind a blow. Song of earth continue grow. All creation testify. Song of Jah never die. Eternal chorus bold and strong. Song of earth forever long. Everlasting true and free. Song of Zion unity. Sing, sing, holy ground. Song of earth is just sound. Rise, rise, pure and strong. Song of earth all along. Song of earth bold and free. Sing for all humanity. Never ending, never fall. Song of Zion bless them all. Forever sounding strong and true. Song of earth for me and you.
Na na na, ganja is the medicine, yeah, man. Garden bloom in Zion land, planted by the Father's hand. Every flower, every tree, Zion garden set me free. It grow the herbs, it grow the fruit. Zion garden jar root. No Babylon can spoil the ground. Zion garden all around. Zion garden lush and green. Sweetest beauty shining strong. It healed the weary, lift the low. Zion garden, make it grow, forever fertile, pure and wide. Zion garden, hold it tight. Me plant me seed in morning sun. Zion garden never done. It bless the harvest, bless the rain. Zion garden heal the pain, forever holy, pure and true. Zion garden carry you. It grow the truth, it grow the song. Zion garden just strong. It bloom eternal, never fade. Zion garden Jah made. No Babylon can dry the land. Zion garden by Jahan, forever fertile, lush and free. Zion garden destiny. It grow the herb, it grow the love. Zion garden gift from above. When the trumpet sound again, Zion garden still remain, forever holy, never cease. Zion garden bring Jah peace, from dawn of time till judgment day. Zion garden show Jah way, eternal harvest, pure and strong. Zion garden Jah song. Grow high, grow free. Zion garden eternity. No drought, no war can spoil the soil. Zion garden bless the tile. Zion garden lush and green, sweetest beauty ever seen. Every leaf a holy flame. Zion garden praise his name. From age to age, from dusk to dawn, Zion garden still carry on. Nah, 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 nah. Zion, Ryan, man. Run now, go,
Rise up early when the sun's still sleeping. Steam the herbs, start the daily reasoning. Bongo drums echo from the hillside. Lion of Judah in a Iman stride. Me no need no gold, chain or fame. Me carry Jah light and chant his name. Peace in a heart, fire in a soul. We live in the word, not playing no role. Roots temple, rise and shine. Herbs born strong, spirit align. Mountains call, winds reply. Rasta reach high in a morning sky. No preacher, no plan, no disguise. Just clean meditation, open eyes. Open eyes. Come inside the temple made of trees. No wall, no door, just healing breeze. Herbs from the earth, wisdom from the stars. Ancient truths written in scars. We drum to connect, we sing to feel. We reason about what Babylon conceal. But today we not talk about no system. We give thanks for life and praise the rhythm. Roots temple, lift me up. Fill me chalice, pour Jacob. In a silence me hear the sound, heartbeat of earth. So profound, this ain't no fiction, no fiction.
them a come, searching for guide. Me show them the smoke and say step inside. But first give thanks, then spark the flame. Then let the silence call your name. Me teach bout herbs, me teach bout drum. How fi hear your voice when the world get dumb. Each puff a prayer, each beat a truth. Me pass the torch from elder to youth. Roots temple, lift me high. Blaze a meditate till we touch the sky. No money, no hype, just word, sound, power in a lion's strength and rainbow shower. When me leave this place, me spirit stay in a roots temple where the drums still play, where time slow down and thoughts get clean, where we sip vitality and sight unseen. So remember this when life get cold. Come back to roots, come back to soul. Zion echoes, carry the flame, roots temple. Remember the name. Remember the name. Ay, ay, ay. Roll a split with royal cookies, yeah, man. Mighty ocean, wide and deep. Secrets holy, it does keep. Wave of courage, tide of grace. Ocean carry, Jah embrace. Babylon fortress can't withstand. Ocean wash across the land. Every current strong and free. Ocean chant eternity. Children play upon the shore. Ocean teach them something more. Elders sit and sing a song. Ocean keep them spirits strong. Not of conquest, not of war. Ocean heal the broken scar. Every drop a holy flame. Ocean glorify your name. Storm may rise and wind may roar. Ocean stand forevermore. Travelers sail upon the wave. Ocean lift and ocean save. Babylon ship can't override. Ocean carry Zion tide. Generation come and go. Ocean of strength still flow. Morning sun reflects so bright. Ocean shine in your light. Moon and star above declare. Ocean blessings everywhere. Not of vanity, not of greed. Ocean give what people need. Everlasting, strong and true. Ocean guide both me and you. Every creature, big and small. Ocean hold them one and all. Whale a sing and dolphin play. Ocean chant Jah every day. Prophets walk the sandy coast. Ocean praise Jah Holy Ghost. Eternal water never cease. Ocean of strength bring peace. Flow, flow, mighty tide. Carry people far and wide. Roll, roll, waves so strong. Ocean chant Jah holy song. Ocean of strength, deep and free. Carry the world in unity. Wash this sorrow, heal the pain. Ocean of Zion still remain. Forever mighty, never dry. Ocean of Jah most high. Inna the hills, Inna the hills, me build me hut, smoke rise slow, peaceful up me gut. No stress, no rush, no deadline, just the herbs, the drum and just sunshine. Wake up with the sunrise glow, cup of bush tea, watch the stream flow. Birds a sing, rhythm on the tree. Nature surround, I just set I free. Me no have no mansion, me no have gold, but the wisdom in my soul that never get old. Me burn the chalice with a humble heart. Each draw remind I where life start. Hillside vibration, higher meditation. Ganja in a hand, no hesitation. Drum beat echo in the morning ear. One love spread, no hatred here. Rasta live simple, Rasta live wise, with the stars above and roots fi guide. No traffic, no siren, no noise, just the flute and the Rasta voice. Me plant me food, me reap me ground. Give thanks when the rain come down. Me reason with me elders, laugh with me youth. Teach them fi stand firm in a Jah truth. Nights we chant, blaze fire upon hill, drumming and chanting until we feel still. Hillside vibration, sacred foundation. Blaze one figure in a full dedication. We no need no fancy screen, just stars and firelight in between. Rasta na follow, Rasta lead, with natural love and righteous seed. Man chase shadow and dream, blind to the light and Jah redeem. But up your soul, me find me breath, away from confusion, away from death. Each leaf me touch, each tree me pass. Teach I lesson, show I class. I and I walk with the moon and tide, and chant melodies with nature as guide. Children run barefoot in the yard. Life sweet like mango from me backyard. Me play me guitar under the stars, sing for the ancestors near and far. Me no need no applause, me no need fame. Me chant in the hills with Jah holy name. Me no war, me no fuss, me live clean. Me them unnatural, me vibe serene. Hillside vibration, soul elevation, with itals too and deep meditation. Come fi visit, but leave your worry. Me teach you how fi slow, no hurry. Inna the hills, Rasta man reign with a smiling heart and no pain. So if Babylon life make you feel low, come find Rasta up where breeze blow. Ganja drum and harmony, live free under Jah canopy. Zion echoes bring the sound, from hillside art to world around. Ay, 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 ay. Kaya and meditate, yeah, man. Me walk alone pan a path of stone, far from city, from flesh and bone. Me spirit roam in a misty land. continuous but steady flow. Me no fear fi be alone, cause in a stillness me find home. Me sit pan rock, the moon me friend. Chalice burn till the night don't end. Them chase fame, them chase illusion. Me hold tight to their conclusion. Them build kingdom from concrete steel. Me build strength from what me feel. Me nah envy, me nah war. Me just climb like Zion star. Too much noise in a Babylon town. Them all climb but still fall down. Me climb slow but me climb wise. Me take time fi study the skies. In a silence me sing I song. Me chant it soft but me root strong. In a the quiet I grow. Rasta seeds in a soul me sow. Me no need crowd fi validate. Me stand firm at your gate. In a the quiet I know everything Jah make just so. Me nah rush, me nah run. Me rise slow like morning sun. Some say silence is punishment, but me know it's a sacrament. For every breath, me give thanks. Me walk alone, but me full of ranks. Me see them lost in the flashy light. Me trod alone in a sacred night. Me whisper prayer in a ancient tongue. Me chant psalms where me father sung. Me no hide, me no seek. Me just live real humble and meek. Jah bring storm, but him bring calm. Me find peace in him holy psalm. In a the quiet I grow. Me nah chase what them show. Me nah dance fi Babylon stage. Me write truth on every page. In a the quiet I grow. Even when the cold wind blow, me stay warm with Jah fire. Me stay true, me rise higher. So if you're lost in a crowd, come walk with I, far from loud. In a bush, in a hills, in a night, you'll find Jah in a natural light. In a the quiet I grow. In a the silence, Jah blessing flow. Nah, nah, nah. Roll a spliff in the morning, yeah, man. In the dark, before the day, morning star, light the way, shining bright, so pure, so near. Morning star, remove the fear. Babylon night can't stay too long. Morning star, sing righteous song. Every beam a prophecy. Morning star, eternity. Children rise and youth proclaim. Morning star in Jah name. Elders chant. Morning star, awake the sleep. Babylon tower, fall apart. Morning star, heal the heart. Generation, look above. Morning star of endless love. Prophets speak and poets sing. Morning star, new life bring. Every nation bow and pray. Morning star, guide today. Everlasting, bright and free. Morning star, for you and me. From creation till the end. Morning star, remaining friend. When the dawn begin to rise, morning star, light the skies. Moonlight fade, sun draw near. Morning star, still appear. All creation testify. Morning star, never die. Early morning light peeks through the hills. Rasta rise with the lion's will. Steam rising from the chalice cup. Herbs of healing we full it up. Ancient drum talk, heartbeat sound. One foot in Zion, the other on ground. We chant down fear, chant up love. Guided by Jah from above. Roots of the mountain strong and free. Smoke in the air like mystery. Meditation under ancient trees. We chant for peace, chant for ease. No stress in this high vibration. Just ivory soul, pure levitation. Walk through mist in a silence deep. The earth she speak, in secret she keep. Each leaf a scroll, each breeze a verse. Teaching we how to lift the curse. Babylon fall in a ego and hate. But we elevate, now participate. One split light, the third eye open. We decode the system, truth is spoken. We no need diamond, we no need gold. The riches live where the story's told. Around the fire, we reason clean. Talk about life and the space between. Rasta heart, at the compass true. No clock rule, what Jaman do. We flow with time like rivers bend. This roots man life, it not pretend. Roots of the mountain strong and free. Smoke in the air like mystery. Meditation under ancient trees. We chant for peace, chant for ease. No stress in this high vibration. Just ivory soul, pure levitation. Children dance in a barefoot style. Elders bless with a knowing smile. The rhythm is older than Babylon's scheme. Reggae a voice from the ancestral dream. This ain't no hype or music fake. It's a heartbeat song, the soul to wake. One drop rhythm, lightning fire. Burn down lie, build truth higher. So light up the chalice.
Ay, 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 Zion inna the post. Yeah, man. Me pack the van and me leave the town. Too much noise, me can't settle down. Me need the hills, me need the breeze. Me soul want chant beneath the trees. Me nah follow no digital maze. Me follow sun, me follow praise. One draw, one breath, me mind feel free. Me spirit chant like a sacred tree. On the roots highway, me find me way. Smoke rise up and me trouble sway. Every mile a meditation. Me ride in a Jah vibration. On the roots highway, me hear Jah call. No city lights, just nature's all. This a the road of revelation. Pure art, no imitation. Me stop at river, me wash me face. Cool water touch me soul with grace. Me see a elder chant by stone. Me join in, me never alone. He say youth live true and live clean. Babylon sweet but it rob your dream. Me say me done, me take me part. One rhythm drum, one sacred heart. The herb me light is blessed and wise. A key fi open eye and eye eyes. Me no hide it, me celebrate. With every puff, me elevate. Rasta no rush, Rasta flow like a stream, slow and low. This journey no need no map, just ears fi listen and time fi nap. Me feel me heartbeat match the drum. Me know me reach where me belong. Roots highway, me temple true. Every tree a guide, every breeze a clue. On the roots highway, we chant and roll. Smoke lift the pain from body and soul. Every corner, all a sign of Rastafari's grand design. On the roots highway, life feel right. Under the stars and moonlight bright, we burn the stress, we burn the fear. Only love dwell upon this sphere. Me reach a village, the fire blaze. Drum and bass start set the pace. Children dance and elders smile. Me stay upon the rhythm fi a while. Title pot bubble, scent so sweet. Me eat and give thanks for the treat. Me burn a spliff on the sacred moon. Me spirit soar like reggae tune. Me no need mansion, no diamond ring. Me need a chant and bird them sing. Me rich with peace, me wealthy with time. Me live in rhythm, me move in rhyme. So if you're tired of the noise and lie, come find truth under Jah sky. Roll your herbs and ride away. On the roots highway, come what may.
Seal my rastas, me stone and Svetka by me side, yeah, man. Me see her walk through the fire and smoke. She smile like sun, but she nah no joke. Locks flowing, eyes them deep. She hold the wisdom you can't fake or keep. Inna the city, full of haste, but she move with royal grace. Sandal pan foot, staff in her hand. She walk like queen through concrete land. Me step to her, heart a beat. Me say, sister, you bring light to the street. She laugh and say, me no look fi fling, me look fi king who chant and sing. Rasta love in a Babylon, still burn like sacred song. She and I in sync and strong. Two soul fight for right, now wrong. We rise like fire in a storm, holding tight when night get warm. True love, roots connection. Rasta love in a Babylon. We sit on rooftop, herbs ablaze. talk about life, give Jah praise. She teach me about patience and faith. Me show her how to chant and wait. We nah rush, nah need no ring, just truth and rhythm, everything. When the system try split the vibe, we meditate and realign. She whisper words, them ancient deep, about river stars and people weep. She not just pretty, she divine. In our soul, Zion sign. We walk hand in hand through dirty lane, but clean in spirit, pure like rain. She said Babylon can't break with chain. If love remain, we sustain. Rasta love in a Babylon still burn like sacred song. She and I in sync and strong. Two soul fight for right, not wrong. We rise like fire in a storm, holding tight when night get warm. True love, roots connection. Rasta love in a Babylon. Me write her name in smoke and star. Tell Jah thank you for who you are. No Gucci thing, no flashy life. She is queen, me empress, me wife. Them a watch and wonder how to Rasta still hold vow. While world a crumble round the way, we hold hands and start fi pray. Me remember when me used to roam. Now she make me heart feel like home. She feed me soul, me give her tune. We rise like sun, we bless like moon. The world still cold, still rude, but we move with righteous mood. A Babylon could never stop this rebel love from reach the top. When me weak, she strong like stone. She chant Jah live, me nah alone. And when she cry, me wipe her tears. Say queen we higher than them fears. Rasta love in a Babylon, true like that carry on. Me empress, me backbone. Together we build Zion throne. Me reason, me melody. She keep me steady like prophecy. No fiction, just devotion. Rasta love in a Babylon. In the heart of confusion, we still find the fusion of love, of roots, of soul, and that make the Rasta old. Sealer, sealer. Ay, 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 ay. Zion is the king, yeah, man. Me see her walk like breeze pan river. Every step make me heart beat shiver. Crown on her head, spirit so divine. She now wear gold, but she always shine. Cooking ital, chanting Psalms 23. Me empress guide me spiritually. She no bow down to vanity. Jamaica appear in simplicity. She are the queen of me temple, fire of the night. She light me chalice and hold me tight. She teach me patience, she keep me wise. With just one gaze from her soulful eyes. Yeah, she a roots gal, pure and true. When me lose me way, she bring me through. She a the queen of the natural vibes. In a this chaos, she help me survive. Me empress rise before the sun. Meditate long for the day begun. She
her more each time me call her name. Me empress no flex feel lights. She meditate more than she type. She know how Babylon try confuse, but she stays steady, she never lose. She dress royal, but live low-key. Speak soft, but move like prophecy. Every youth see her want to learn how to live righteous, how to earn. She are the queen of me temple, warrior soul. With ancient knowledge, she keep me whole. She plant me joy, she reap me pain. She cool me fire like mountain rain. Yeah.
Aye, aye, aye. Jamaica pushing on the chalice, yeah, man.
Light up the chalice, silence na the room. Incense mix with the evening bloom. Me sit still like stone, but me mind fly high. Inna the smoke, me reason with the sky. Inna the corner me sit, herbs in a hand. Me float like breeze over Greenland. Meditation deeper than ocean floor. Each breath me take me open one door. No distraction, no noise, no fight. Just me and Jah inna the soft twilight. Me no need preacher nor politician. Me find truth in the Rasta tradition. Smoke and silence, me in a flight. Ganja guide I through darkest night. No chaos, no fear, just vibration. Rasta trod through revelation. Smoke and silence, sacred fire. Me burn it slow and rise up higher. Me hear the leaves whisper in a breeze. Ancient stories travel through trees. Ancestor voice echo in a ear. Me hold still, me listen clear. Ganja show I what Babylon hide. Teach I how fi walk with pride. Not in riches nor in fame, but in love and Jah holy name. Me build a temple inna me mind, clean and pure, no war inside. Me sip me roots, me burn the leaf. Me sing away, me doubt and grief. No judgment here, no hate arrive. Only herbs, only soul, only vibes. Smoke and silence, endless sky. Me meditate till me spirit fly. Me no chase no man-made dream. Me live simple, clean and green. Smoke and silence, high vibration. Me chant through every tribulation. Me teach me youth, hold firm, think deep. Herbs fi uplift, no fi sleep, me no glorify. Just the smoke, but the message when the silence spoke, it bring me closer to Jah throne. Me realize me never alone. It heal me scars, it calm me rage. It guide me words when me walk on stage. Too many rush, too many blind. Me take me time, me clear me mind. Me no panic, me no pretend. Me live true from start to end. Smoke and silence, bless the ear. Me reason with Jah, me soul get clear. Me trod with music, me trod with flame. Me live for love, not name or fame. Smoke and silence, pure connection. Rasta man move chalice sing a healing tune in the stillness. We rise above, wrapped in herb, music and love. Zion echoes carry this song. Smoke and silence, Jah make we strong.
Bada bim, bada boom.
Rastafari,
Smoke bang ya man.
yeah, me walk with Jah in a barefoot style. Me step in a jungle, me mind run wild. Lion heart, me nah get tame. Me bun me herb and chant Jah name. Hillside green like me favorite strain. Me feel no pressure, me feel no pain. Eyes to the sky, me lift me soul. Me reggae beat, keep the fire whole. Roots run deep in a man vein. Rasta love, wash away the strain. Blaze one high and meditate low. We roll in truth, we let it flow. Roots run deep and the rhythm strong. My spirit chant like ancient song. Hold a vibe and let it steep. Rasta life, yeah, roots run deep. Me bun the chalice pan sunrise peak. Me listen Jah voice when the silence speak. Me no chase wealth, me no need fame. Me find me peace in Jah holy name. Me woman divine, me queen by side. We ride the storm, we ride the tide. She rub me locks when me feel low. She say remember who you are, let it show. Me no in a race with no other man. Me live each day with a higher plan. From roots to fruit, me tree stand tall. If you feel lost, just answer the call. Roll a spliff and close your eyes. Feel the fire as your spirit rise. Sound system shake, the sacred ground. Jah vibration in every song. Rasta youth, walk a righteous way. Herbs in a pocket, smile pon face. We burn Babylon without haste. Roots run deep like the Congo drum. Feel it beat like lightning come. Zion echoes in the midnight hour. Me link with stars, me take Jah power. Me jam in a yard with me brethren them. Real warriors, no need for pretend. I post the vibes and I tell stew. We reason true truth while the fire brew. Me play me guitar, them beat them pan. We raise vibration, woman and man. No borders here, just art and sound. One love vibration, circle round. So if you're tired of concrete grey. Come find your peace where the children play. Dance in a field, sing out loud, lift up your soul and stand so proud. This is Zion Echoes, Irisine. Reggae roots, so pure, so clean. Rasta journey, you soon will keep. But first remember, roots run deep.
Zion, your man, give me the split.
Me wake up, yeah, them open wide, but miss illusion on every side. Them dress up like in suit and tie, smile on TV, but me spirit cry. Them tell we freedom, but it come with leash. Them teach we peace while them rob we peace. Them promise heaven after death, while them poison earth with every breath. Me say, system a ghost, walk through wall. Invisible chains still make we crawl. But me soul is fire, roots is stone. No ghost can claim me throne. Them set the rules from cradle to grave, but Jah make kings who not be slave. From chalkboard lies to digital trap, them feed with fiction and call it fact. Me say, tear down the veil from your face. Truth not hide, it blaze every place. Every youth is warrior in wait. Unlock the gates, reject the bait. No app can map the mind of man. No drone can scan what Jah plan. Me chanting rhythm, me chanting code. Decode Babylon in overload. System is a ghost, them can't hold we. Spirit too wild, too free, too holy. We dance in chains till chain them crack. We chant in pain till truth fight back. System is a ghost, me walk right through. Them walls fall down when Jah come true. Me carry the light like torching star. Me born for rebel, me not conform. Me look pan sky, me look pan sea. All creation chant liberty. Bird can be caged, lion not tame. So why mankind live in shame? Them make we chase paper dream. Forget more likes on digital screen. But me say soul na swipe or scroll. Me chant fi elevate the whole. Them use screen fi hide we pain. Me use verse fi break the chain. Me use drum fi talk to sky. Me use bassline fi make truth fly. So if you're lost in concrete zone, listen deep, you're still not alone. My voice is candle in dark room. My word is seed that can't stop bloom. Roots deeper than what I can see. My DNA link tree to see. No barcode label, panja man. Me na scan, me overstand. System is a ghost, fade and flee. Me chant with sound of prophecy. From slum to hills, we raise the flame. Jah call me real, nah need no name. System is a ghost, but we alive. Real ones resist, real ones survive. So chant with me, make Babylon shake. Spirit rise up, soul awake.